In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to remove background noise from microphone on Windows 11. So the first step is to right click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner. Now after we do that, we just have to click on sound settings. Now once you get here, you're gonna have to go to system and then select sound from here, so make sure sound is selected. Then you just have to go to input, and then from here you just have to choose your microphone. Now the next step is to set the volume to 70, and then after that what we're gonna have to do is simply click on more sound settings. Now once you get here, you're gonna have to basically go to recording, so click on recording at the top, and then from here you just have to right click on microphone, and then after that we just have to go to advanced, and here we're gonna have to choose this option here. Then simply click on apply and OK, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.